Hi, in this video I will show you how to search for Instagram Reels. So the process is pretty simple. If you want to find someone reel video from your Instagram account, simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to click on the search icon. Once you will tap on it, now you have to search for any name. So I simply search for pizza here. You can search any friend name like, and after that you have to click on the tags, and in the tags you have to select any tag, and here you will see multiple posts. Also you will see a reel icon on the Instagram post. Simply you have to tap on that. Once you will tap on it, your reels will be open. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.